How to use crypto scanners. A crypto scanner is a tool you can use to spot activities and track the movement of various crypto assets. Traders can then use these movements as signals to execute different trade orders, which increases your odds of reaping profits. While price and volume are the most basic components to track, crypto scanners will also let you track overbuys and oversells, trade histories, and more. Most crypto scanners also incorporate the functionality of an alert that notifies you about any market-changing movements as they occur. With over 4,000 cryptocurrencies currently available across hundreds of exchanges, it would be almost impossible to catch a coin that's moving without the right arsenal. For example, on TradingView.com, you can easily set a trade alert on specific swing points for your favorite cryptocurrency. Ensure to subscribe to TradingView Premium Package to enjoy steady crypto key point alerts notification. Here is Solana against the USDT chart. To set our key alert points, move to a higher time frame. I will select the weekly chart time frame by clicking on the W icon here. Change from candlestick chart to line chart. You can click the line chart icon over here. It will enable you to have a clean market structure view. So here we have the line chart. Our key buy position should be at the swing over here, or the swing over here, or any other swings below the current price points. These are the points we want to set alerts for a possible buy entry in the future. So click on the trend icon dropdown over here. Select horizontal line. Place your mouse at those swings to plot the horizontal line. Now set alerts on those lines. Right-click on the line. Click Add an alert. Click Create. You can see the alert icon now on the line. Once the price drops down to that position, you will receive an alert notification. You can duplicate this process for other crypto and swing points as well.